Hi, it's Nicolette from HowDoesShe. I'm about to give you a tour of my new kitchen. It's been a long time in the making and I can't wait to finally reveal it. So I really wanted these white oak floating shelves and I love how they turned out. The countertops are a really pretty quartz with a little bit of movement in it, which I really loved too. We love our double fridge and freezer. Makes it super convenient for our big family. Have our double ovens over here, which I've actually found that I love because we cook big batches of cookies and rolls. It's always something. I love how the cabinets turned out. I really wanted a modern kind of minimalist look, and I especially love minimalist pulls that I put on. Now to one of my favorite parts of the kitchen, and it's my Blue Star range and my Blue Star hood. I love this range. It has 8 burners, and I opted to go with the charbroil add-on option as well as the cooktop griddle. So I went with the 48-inch platinum range top. I loved the size of it and I loved the amount of burners that it would give me. I love the interchangeable griddle and charbroiler, so that if you're cooking pancakes or you want to cook some sausages for breakfast, you can just flip that over and cook it right there on your range top. I will tell you that it is hot. Look at that flame. This thing is so powerful. It will boil water in less than a minute. I can make dinner even faster now because spaghetti only takes about 5 minutes and it's done. Let's pulls out so any type of drippage or crumbs that just falls in here, and you can just easily pop these out. You can empty them, you can wash them, you can pop them back in. And that captures all of your crumbs and your drips. Just fit over any 2 burners. You can actually grill meats, steak, fish, chicken right here in your kitchen, which makes it so convenient. I've always wanted a commercial grade hood in my dream kitchen, and this Blue Star hood is phenomenal. I opted for the blower, and also as a good rule of thumb, you want your hood to be about 3 inches of overhang on each side of your range. So that's why I got the 48-inch range and the 54-inch hood. This thing is so powerful. And whenever I'm cooking pasta, you can just see the steam like sucking right up. Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you was this custom table because it's pretty special to me. So this table is actually made from old barn wood from my grandparents' barn. We went to their barn, we got it, it was pretty old and it was pretty dirty, but we had a custom wood maker clean it off, and he created this table, and my dad and my brothers actually made the legs of this table. So every time we eat at this table, I feel the love from my family. I hope you enjoyed my modern kitchen.